Think of a private island. You're probably picturing overpriced coconuts and a guy named Chad playing Wonderwall on a ukulele. But what if I told you this tropical paradise used to be, well, a literal dump? I'm your host of Cruise Insider Channel, and welcome to Ocean Cay, pronounced Ocean Cay, MSC Marine Reserve. Before MSC got their hands on it, this place was an industrial sand mining site. It had all the charm of a scrap metal yard and the ecological diversity of a parking lot. But then, MSC decided to pull a Cinderella on it. They hauled away 1,500 tons of scrap metal, which, for context, is about the weight of my luggage when my wife packs light, and they planted 75,000 native plants. Now, it's a Mission Blue Hope Spot. That means it's officially more important to the planet than your LinkedIn profile. Let's look at how to spend a perfect and slightly ridiculous day here in 2026. First off, the ship docks right at the pier. No tenders, no waiting in line for a tiny boat that smells like diesel and regret. You just walk off. Pro tip, head to Lighthouse Bay immediately. It's the spot everyone wants for their quote-unquote travel influencer photo. Get there early so you don't have to Photoshop 40 strangers out of your background. New for 2026, you've got to check out the Marine Conservation Center. This is where they grow super coral. It's basically coral that went to the gym and took vitamins so it can survive rising ocean temperatures. It's like a superhero origin story, but wetter and much slower. Lunchtime, the food trucks are scattered around, but here's the kicker. Your ship drink package actually works on the island. Usually, cruise lines treat their private islands like an airport. Suddenly, a water is $9. Not here. If you have the Easy Plus package, you're basically the king of hydration. Drink up, your liver can rest when the cruise is over. If you want to avoid humans, which, let's be honest, is why we travel, take the tram to Bimini Beach. It's the furthest point from the ship. It's quiet, it's serene, and it's the best place to practice your deep in thought stare while actually just wondering if you left your hair straightener on in the cabin. Most islands kick you off at 5 p.m. like a bad date. Ocean Cay stays late. The Lighthouse turns into a 100-foot tall disco ball. There's a Junkanoo, pronounced Junkanoo, parade, which is basically a Bahamian street party that makes your local 4th of July parade look like a library meeting. End the night with glow paddleboarding. You get a board with LED lights on the bottom so you can see the fish sleeping below you. It's magical, it's peaceful, and it's the only time seeing a blue light in the water isn't a terrifying omen of a shark attack. So is Ocean Cay just another beach? No, it's a 64 square mile middle finger to environmental destruction. It's gorgeous, it's eco-conscious, and the Wi-Fi even works near the bars. What more do you want? If you enjoyed this look at the new Ocean Cay, hit that like button and subscribe for more cruise tips and destination guides. If you didn't, well, I hope a seagull steals your fries. Comment below. Would you rather do the glow paddleboarding or just nap under a palm tree for 8 hours? I think you know my answer. Happy cruising and see you in the next one!